Markets crash. What am I doing? Am I in? Am I out? You know I'm all in. Stupid is what stupid does. You can always bank on one thing. I've said it repeatedly for 3 years. Overreaction. People, selfishness, greed, stupidity. People that don't read balance sheets, don't care, follow the leader, lemmings over a cliff. That's what you can bank on. Do I invest on that? No, I buy businesses and I put my money where my mouth is and I do what I say and I say what I do. As you know, yesterday I went all in. I said I like the reports for these businesses. I like what Amazon are doing. I like what Microsoft are doing. I like what Google are doing. I like what the overall economy is doing. However, people are people and they do stupid things. And right now, stupid things are happening in mass. Let me explain what I mean. Hopefully you'll support me and like this video because it's the truth. It's real. It's my real money. Meet Kevin telling you one thing. 1 minute boom, next minute's bust. I'm saying the same thing for 3 years. Let me just clarify. I went all in yesterday. You know I did. I'm buying everything. I'm all in on the S&P. I believe in buying for the next 6 years. Margin, yes. Road to $1 million. I've explained it. I also said we will get another drop. So some said, well, why on earth are you buying then? Why do you want to buy if you know a drop is coming? I don't know how low it will go. I don't care how low it will go. I want to own the businesses. I don't buy stocks. I buy businesses because the businesses have just reported. I've been covering the earnings reports now for 3 years. I've been following the markets for 3 years, 12 hours a day. I see overreaction and overreaction. I have said for 18 months, Fed rate cuts will come in September of 2024. That is correct. I have also said there will be 0.5% rate cut the first time. There will be 3 rate cuts this year. I have said that for 18 months. There will. People are now saying the Fed have waited too long. I have also said that. Just because I've said they've waited too long doesn't mean that I'm bringing back my time from when they should cut rates. I've always said September. It is September. However, it is too late. What do I mean by that? I have said over and over again, the US, for some bizarre reason, use backward-looking, lagging indicators. The UK reduced rates. Europe reduced rates. Canada twice. India reduced. Other countries are using forward-looking things, indicators. As an investor, I do not care about what the chart said 6 months ago, where we're going last month, where we were before, 2008. This is not 2008. The American economy is strong. The best businesses in the world are doing well in the US economy. This is greed, selfishness, and overreacting. That's what's happening. Yes, the Fed are behind the curve. Yes, the Fed are using out-of-date indicators. God knows why, but they are. And now people are, as what people do, stupid is what stupid does. Remember, I've said how many times? Wall Street are not investors. They're not here to help you. They're not here to protect the economy. They are there for their own selfish greed. That's what this entire system is built on. It's a rubbish system. Life's unfair. Deal with it. You have to play the game. If you sit down at a game of chess, you have to know the rules to win. Doesn't matter if it's tough and unfair and this and that. Life's unfair. You've got to deal with the facts in front of you. The facts in front of you is the economy is good. The businesses I'm buying are good. I want and I have a target of $1 million. I will achieve it, but 99% of that is down to me. It's down to me working every day, 12 hours a day, because that I can control. I can't control what people are going to do. However, I know what people are going to do. So this is my position. As you can see, I'm down 3% today when the market is down about 1.5%. It's double. It could be triple by the end of the day if it continues like this, because I'm using margin. There is my belief in the economy. You can't get more bullish than that. 72,916. However, I've still got $52,000 available. I've got plenty of margin available. Now then, should I turn it on? Should I use it? Well, if we drop today 10%. I have said repeatedly, and if you don't believe me, I want you to go and check, because every word I say is true and every word is backed up in video evidence. Go back, look on my video page, on my homepage here, and you will see I have called for a 10% crash for the last month or so, something like that. You will scroll down here and you will see sell off. There it is, overbuying Tesla. Everyone said I was talking rubbish, all the Tesla fanboys. Oh, Tesla's going to go forever. No, it's not. Warnings, AI greed. I covered it over and over and over and over again. That does not stop me from buying, however, because I am not buying the market. I am not following a trend. I am not buying with what the chart says. I am buying what the businesses are doing. I own the US economy. I own the businesses. People do what they do and drive the markets down. I will say again, I will end this video with my predictions, and I've been spot on all the way, and I'll be spot on till the end. Here are my predictions. I do not flip-flop like Meet Kevin. Whatever you need to say to get you to watch a video. You know how it works. Drama, doom and gloom. We're going to get rich one minute, we're going to get poor the next minute. That creates emotion, that creates clickbait, that gets you to watch. That's why he owns a private jet. However, I'm live here all day, every day, taking the flack from everyone because I believe in what I'm doing, and I'll take any question from anyone, answer anyone's questions, and I will face it. It's not how hard you can punch or how much money you've got, how many bloody planes you've got. It's how many punches you can take. And I am going nowhere. I am not giving in. This is my prediction. I am all in on the S&P. The S&P is by far the greatest asset you can own right now. The American economy. The regular S&P, not the other variations of it, different versions of the S&P. There are many ETFs. The regular S&P. Why? Because the American economy is strong and it's filled by 500, maybe 507. There's always a debate about that. 500 of the best US businesses, which are 500 of the best businesses in the world. That's why I own that. Because of COVID, because of overselling, because of this, because of that, we've had many of the rotation into the Russell, which was a big mistake. As you can see now, people are dumping the Russell because the crap is the crap, the rubbish is the rubbish. Quick gains, quick profits. Now what do? Let's buy some bonds. Now we'll sell our bonds. Now we'll buy back. Nope, I'm not selling anything. They'll come back into the S&P, the favored, preferred benchmark of everything. This is the one that's won over time, that always wins over time. The perfect balance. I've spent 3 years studying it. The smaller businesses at the bottom of the index are going to boom because they've been doing very little the last couple of years, and money will go there. Tech has been oversold. Tech has been placed at the top of the index for a bloody good reason, because they are bloody good businesses that fix things, create innovation, and make buckets of money. And they are managed well. They're the businesses I want to own. Remember, I only buy what I believe I can hold for at least 10 years. 100%. 100%. So, the S&P is the way to go, not the NASDAQ, not a tech heavy stock, even though the S&P is very focused on Meta and Google and Nvidia and Microsoft and all the rest of it. They're all oversold. They're all good businesses. However, people are greedy and go, where's my return on my investment for AI? Bloody hell, it's only been 5 minutes, so people dump it. They rotate into the Russell. 5 minutes later, the next day, they get out of the Russell, and now they're scrambling around. What do they do next? I haven't gone anywhere. And if you keep moving and buying and selling and paying tax, you end up worse than you are if you just stayed where you are in a market like this. You cannot beat the market. You cannot time the market. We all know the market's going to sell off. I've said for 1 or 2 months, a 10% correction. Unlike others who say, sit on the sidelines with your cash and wait for some magical moment, I don't agree. It's time in, not timing. The time for me started ticking yesterday. I'm already in. I'm able to buy more if it goes significantly lower. The Fed have done a good job. They brought inflation down. That is their job. They cooled the economy. That is their job. However, they are using out-of-date technology. They are looking backwards. They should be looking forwards. That's just the way it is. However, they will get it right. Now then, they will reduce rates in September. It will be 0.5%. You will see rate cuts at every meeting throughout the rest of the year. So my margin will get cheaper and cheaper and cheaper. And then people will flood back into the market because why? Business will get a boost. Interest rates will go down. Businesses will get a boost and people will start turning on the margin. Too late. I'm already in. I've been in since the beginning. I was in when it was difficult. Yes, I'm rather emotional today because I get a little bit frustrated, a little bit bloody angry by YouTubers with millions of subscribers spreading crap, doing anything they can to get you to watch their videos, to get you to make them money so they can buy private jets at the same time as telling you the world's coming to an end. I hate it. I hate liars. I hate schemers. I hate people using their influence to influence people who do not understand how the economy works. I've sat here for 3 years, every single day, 5 days a week, 12 hours a day, answering every single question, taking everybody's abuse, the support, the love, and the hate, all of it. And I'm not going anywhere. The fact of the matter is, the American economy is good. Don't believe the crap that everyone tells you. Every single day, there's a new story. We're up, we're down, we're in, we're out. How many times does Bloomberg, CNBC say, one day there's a rate cut. Next day, we predict a rate hike. Next day, there's a rate cut. Next day, there's a rate hike. I have said for 18 months the same thing. Does it get me anywhere? No. Do I get blow off the top videos with viral videos? No, because nobody wants to hear the truth. They want to know how to get rich right now, and they want to know how to short the market right now. They want to follow cult followings like Omar, who's a convicted bloody gambler, and we can all get rich buying crap, FFIE. Let's all buy Binky Bonk coin and take it to the moon. All of that is rubbish. And I apologize. No, I don't apologize. It's my bloody channel. I don't apologize for my anger today. I don't apologize for my frustration. I am okay. I'm going nowhere. My portfolio is going to $1 million. That's not why I'm upset today. I couldn't care less. If it goes down another 10%, I'll spend the rest of my margin. I don't care because I'm in control. I am going to earn the money to pay it back over the next 6 years. It won't matter how long it takes. The fact is I will own the market at this price, not the market at next year's price. And the rates will come down, so it'll cost me near nothing in interest anyway. So I'm going to be okay. But I don't like that behind this camera lens right now, there are people who who are not in my position. They are not optimistic. They are not in a healthy state. They are stressed. They are upset. And they're like that because they followed idiots like BitBoy in the past. Remember him? Remember the Wolf of Wall Street? Remember him? What about, and right now you have Meet Kevin. You have all these other people telling you all this crap. The Moon Guy, whatever he's called, bloody idiot he is. All these people, and also people who follow mainstream CNBC, Bloomberg. I watch that, I record it all, I take notes. Jim Cramer told you that J&J was going to go bankrupt. Remember that? People wrote to me. I had emails telling me, Martin, you said J&J is a great business. Jim Cramer said it's going bankrupt. No, he didn't. But he did. That's how it sounded to you, but it wasn't the case. You need to understand what he was saying. He was manipulating the market. Jim Cramer knows that J&J isn't going bust. So I am angry today for the people that are losing their money, the people that have no voice, the people that think the biggest YouTubers must be right. Let me tell you how that works, okay? I live and breathe this job every single day of the bloody week, even at weekends. I study analytics, I study numbers. It's what I do. I went all the way at school and college and university for numbers. I understand people. I've traveled the world as the world piano man, and I understand numbers. And the fact of the matter is, people will watch doom and gloom. That's what works. That's what sells. Why do you think today, if you pick up the news, any channel you like, 99% of it is doom and gloom? They're in the business of selling news. There's no Auntie Doris crossed the road and saved a cat. That won't make the news. But there's stabbings and there's killings and there's murders and there's wars. That's what sells. I don't do it. That's what YouTubers do. I don't do it. So I'm very upset and very angry that I cannot get a much bigger audience than I get. People would prefer to listen to the crap. You do it. It's your choice. You can't help it. You're a human being. I'm a human being. I understand it. But you have to understand what is going on. Everyone is trying to manipulate and control the market. They won't control me. I'm not going anywhere. I'm here with you. I will support you every day. I will answer every question. I'm here for my members. Now, I may only have 28,000 subscribers, but what I do have is 98% of my live viewers every day are members. The highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube. No one has that engagement rate. Mr. Beast doesn't have it. No one has it. So those that discover the channel become members and watch every day because we're here for you. I need to go to bed at night knowing what I've said is true because it affects real people. That's what makes me different than big YouTubers. They've not met in mass their audience. I spent 37 years touring the world as the world piano man. I have met millions of my fans in person, real life. I know what it means. I know there are people sat at home today losing their money, stressed, upset, can't pay the mortgage, got over their head with all these high interest rates. People like Meet Kevin meet a handful of their audiences. I know that, I've seen it, and I've done my own meetups, and he's done his meetups, and so on. I know that, and they don't care. They don't understand. Because 5 minutes ago, they're working in a fast food restaurant, skip a few years ahead, they're a big superstar on YouTube, thinking this is great. They got too big for their own boots. They don't know that this is real people who are getting really hurt. And the ironic thing is, the same people, even though they lost all their money, come back. That's why the big big YouTubers get bigger, because people see them at the top and think that must be true because everybody else is watching it. It's nothing else shows up in your feed. That's just how it works. Is it right? No. Is the world unfair? Yes, the world's unfair. Deal with it. That's how it works. There's my video. Before I end, I don't normally put this in my videos, but I'm going to do it right now. I said I wouldn't do this, but I'm going to do it. And I want you all now to do something. If you do something good, good things happen to you. All right? I promise you, if you do something good today, something good will happen to you. So let's do it right now. It's not about me. It's not about you. You've all got money. If you're watching today, you've all got the internet. You've all got an iPhone. You've all got money because you're all investing. None of you here have got nothing. Not one single person here has nothing. You've all got something, which makes you 99% richer than everybody else on the planet. I know. I've traveled the world and I've seen it. Remember the guy I told you about in Egypt? He didn't even move while a dog was gnawing on his leg. His soul was gone. He didn't even feel pain anymore. Yep, I've seen all that stuff. So let me do something. And it won't go viral. Most people won't care, but I'm going to do it anyway. For those of you who don't know, I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man for good reason. I think I do a good job as a piano man, and I've traveled the world. Right, here is my music channel. What I'm asking you to do right now is I am trying to raise millions of dollars for charity. I've done massive global fundraisers before for the Lions Club. I've raised money for all kinds of disasters through their services and systems. But now I want to do it in a better way where there's no taxes, there's no credit card fees, there's no charges, there's no fees at all. 100%. YouTube, when I get to 10,000 subscribers, will turn on YouTube giving. They have it on this channel, but I want it on my music channel so I can do fundraiser concerts for your favorite charity. So here is my music channel. I would like you now to subscribe. You don't have to watch my music if you don't want to, but I would like you to subscribe to my music channel just so I can get 10,000 subscribers. Now, before you switch off and you get bored and go, oh, hang on a minute, what's all that about? Please, I'll put it 3 times in the chat. There it is. If you do that, right, I will be able to raise millions of dollars for your favorite charity. What do I mean by your favorite charity? What I mean is this. If you go and subscribe today, your name will come up on the screen. There we go. Bennett Densmore. It's doing it right now. Thank you, Bennett. So here is an example. Bennett, tell all your friends at work today, all your mates, share it on social media, subscribe to this guy. He wants to raise millions of dollars for charity, your charity. Then come back to me, Bennett, and say, I got 100 people today to subscribe to your music channel. Would you do a fundraiser, please, for cancer research? Or whatever it might be. And I will say, yes. All the ad revenue, all the super chats, all the money, 100% will go to your charity. I will do unlimited concerts. I'll do it every bloody night if necessary. Eduardo, same to you. Thank you for subscribing. Now go and tell all your friends. Let's do something good today. Isaac Hunt, thank you. Tell all your friends and then come back to me and say, Martyn, I really want to help the people in the war, in Ukraine, in Israel, in Gaza. I've got there's a registered charity for those people, Save the Children, whatever it might be. And I'll say, yes, I'll do it. Because you will say to me, I've got all my friends at work to subscribe to you. Now, please, would you do a fundraiser concert? This is going to be the best fundraising concerts in the history of the world. Because everyone takes a fee. Everyone takes a cut. I will charge 0. I will do all the work. All the money will go to the charity. YouTube take no commission, no taxes, 100% it goes directly to a registered charity. So please, every single person do it. If you're not doing it, why are you not doing it? And I'm noticing some people are now switching off. I had 100 people watching, I've now got 68. People can be selfish. I had people yesterday unsubscribe from the music channel just to stop me from getting there, helping people. I hate people like that. Help me to help everybody else, and I will do all the work. You just have to subscribe. If you would like to, and I don't need you to, but if you'd like to and you want to watch some videos, then great. It doesn't make me any money. It's all copyrighted music, but what it does do is it helps other people discover the channel by you watching, okay? That would be great, but you don't have to spend your time doing that, but it would be kind of cool if you did, but that's not what it's about. It's not about me growing my channel. It's about me helping people. There we go. There's a special video that will go out later. Boom before, bust before the boom. And a little bit of helping people at the end. I'm knackered now. Thank you, Mark. Go and do the same thing. Tell all your family, tell everybody, and then come back to me on my X account and then tell me that you've got some subscribers and I'll do a concert for you. Look at this. Good people, come on, good people. Do good things and good things will happen to you. They always do. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Over here and over here. Today we changed the world. Do something good. Take control. Stop listening to all the crap. Stop listening to people that are trying to sell you crap. Honestly, I will be here for you every single day. I'm going nowhere. Even if it bloody kills me, I'm going nowhere. Take care of yourselves and each other. I'll squeeze in a smile.